All right. Good morning. I hope everyone is fine. So it's a Monday. It's a brand new week. I'm literally gonna do a recap on a few pairs that I looked at on Friday. I made some setups on Friday. So I just want to make a follow-up on them. So starting from the DXY, we all know this is an index which tracks the performance of the dollar itself. And also it measures the performance of other instruments or other assets, currencies, indices, equities, stocks. So let's go and have a look at the dollar index. So this is what I had on the dollar index. These are the areas I marked. So this was our last valid break of structure. This is what I marked. And down here, I could see a reaction area, which was our area of demand. It was an order block. So taking this in place as it was our valid break of structure, the current range that we are having should be from this swing high to this swing low. Swing high to this swing low. So this is the current range that we're looking at. So I was just waiting for price to mitigate back to our key areas of premium. So when you put a fib from high to low, you can see that price is literally above the premium areas. And above the premium areas, that's where I mark this area of supply. So according to what we see, price managed to mitigate this area of supply, just like you see. Price is currently reacting off of this area of supply. But we haven't seen any confirmation to sell. So I'm waiting for a market maker model. Market maker model, since I have setups on H4, I'll literally go to lower time frame. I'll do what we call time frame alignment. H4, if you make a set, you find your POI or your context on H4. Currently, my context is on H4. This is a supply. It's a bearish order block. I would literally go to 15 minutes to look for my market maker sell model. This is what actually I'll be waiting for. For the market maker sell model, as you could see on 15, where this all mitigation move started, this should be my initial consolidation. This entire area was my initial consolidation. This entire area. Let me mark it so well. I'm having difficulty with this because I'm not using a mouse. Okay. Since that was my initial consolidation, this area, price has been pulling back on the buy side of the curve. For some reason, it has been pulling back to keep taking out all this buy side liquidity. So that's the reason why. And also, it has pulling back to balance up the void which was left behind. So since now I'm looking for confirmations for the DXY on 15, Market maker sell model confirmation. I'll be waiting for a change in state of delivery. A change in state of delivery will be happening somewhere here. Change in state of delivery could be happening somewhere here. If not, I'll be waiting for a shift of market structure. Could be happening here on 15 minutes. Having that in mind, on 15 minutes, I had to first wait for the inducement to be taken out. And this was the inducement, which I'm talking about 15 minutes. Already, it was taken out. So basically, the only thing I'm waiting for a shift. This is the shift I'll be waiting for. Price to give me a shift of market structure. Then it will leave behind an area of supply of which I will use to enter some shorts. So this is what we call a displacement. If price displaces below, it gives us a choke. It will be a low risk sell. This is what I'll take. But in other words, if we go to 4 hour, if price now fails to respect this area of supply and it intends to break it out, this area of supply will be named as a choke. There will be a reversal. So this will be my choke. It will be a reversal, and I'll wait for the break, a valid break, candle closing above, and a retest. So this supply will become an area of support or demand. So I'll use it to buy, targeting all these areas of buy side. Definitely. Because when we talk on monthly, we have the monthly imbalance above. That's what I will be targeting if the supply fails to hold. It will become a demand, of which I will use it to buy. So Nasdaq, I wanted to look at Nasdaq briefly. We could see Nasdaq is reacting off of the decision order block. Yeah, we're aiming for this area of 25,852. Yeah, to be taken out. I think this is, yeah, the area I'm eyeing. If we talk about again SP500 as the same correlation with Nasdaq, SP500 is reacting off of still the decision order block. We're targeting this area. This is the first area to target. So after taking out inducement, you can see it's literally targeting this area of buy side. DAX, just the German 40. German 40.
This bitch don't put makeup on my drying towel. This is
okay. German 40. This is what I have on German 40.
crazy, man.
Yeah. Okay, have a blessed day. Yeah. Thank you.